Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Redmi 14C initial boot. So for setup guys, first of all, just tap here and then select the language. Just select the language English US and then click next. Now select your region. After that, guys just click on the privacy policy and then click next. So if you want to set the SIM slot, so you can set up by, but I am not setting up right now. So just click next. And if you want to set up Wi-Fi, just tap on a Wi-Fi and then set the password or enter the password of your Wi-Fi and then click connect guys. So as you see, the Wi-Fi is now connected. Now go to next, and as you see, your phone is now getting ready. After that guys, if you want to copy the data from your old device, so you can click next, but I don't want to copy the data, so just click don't copy. Okay guys, now it's time for a Gmail, so just enter your Google account here. Now click next. Now it's time for a password guys, so just enter the password here and that's it. Now click next. Click to I agree guys. As you see, the Google account is now getting ready. So after that guys, just click to more, accept, and just skip. Okay, so if you want to do setup continue, you can click continue, and if you don't want any other setup to continue, so just click on leave and get reminder. Just scroll down guys and then click next. So we are now almost completed. Just select the font style, just select the default one and then click next. Skip it. Okay, select the default launcher, so I am selecting AppDrawer and then click next. Guys, just click install as these applications will be installed on the background. So as you see, the Redmi 14C is powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. And that's it. Now as you see, the setup is now complete. Just tap here and that's it. So that's how we can set up Redmi 14C initial boot. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.